I'm going to try to put an AirTag in my laptop. Watch to see if it works. Okay, what do we need? Of course, we need an AirTag. And then you need a laptop, and a screwdriver, and potentially some electrical tape and some scissors. Let's open the AirTag. Let's see if I can connect to it before I put it in the laptop. It doesn't connect yet. You might need to update your iPhone. Okay, the iPhone is updated to the latest iOS. Let's try to connect again. You also need to remove the plastic wrapping to enable the battery of the AirTag. Okay, it's working. The AirTag is connected. Now let's open up the laptop. First take out all the screws and then take the back off. Now we need to look for a place to hide or place the AirTag. It should have enough height so it doesn't block us from putting the backplate of the laptop back on. And preferably it should not be on an open electrical contact point. I have a place here where it fits perfectly and safely. Now let's put the laptop cover back on. Put the screws back in and test to see if it's working. Yes, the AirTag is tracking the location of the laptop. We can even hear a pinging sound from the AirTag coming from the laptop. This is perfect for if you're going on travels and you want to leave your laptop in your hotel room or your Airbnb. Or if you take your laptop to school or other public places where it might get stolen. I'm going to take the laptop with the AirTag to Bali next week. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see me test it there. And subscribe if you want to see more. Goodbye.